I mothiarm se tá gá acmhainn líne atá bhad níos tábhachtaí ná aon cinn eile má tá tú chun an Ghaeilge a ólam. Acmhainn fhoghlaim.ie. Fhoghlaim.ie, a lot of you guys will have already used it, but not many of you guys will have used it to the extent that it can be used. There are so many things that you can use fhoghlaim.ie for, guys. To start off, it will tell you it's an English to Irish dictionary, so obviously you can just put in any English word and it'll give you the translation as Ghaeilge. But you can also almost hack it down away and just put in an Irish word and it will do a reverse search for you and therefore give you all the possible translations in English. Also, it has pronunciation, so a C, M and U beside most words. You can click on any of those and get what any word is going to sound like in the different dialects. It also shows you all the different uses of the word. If you put in a word like key, for example, in English there's 18 different uses of key, from different types of nouns, different adjectives, different verbs. For example, a key on a piano, a key that opens a door, or a key is an adjective to define critical or vital. It's going to show you how each one of those is going to sound like and look like as Ghaeilge. It's going to show you words like this being used in different sentences and different phrases. You can see how the word might be modified, or how even though in English we'd use this word, when we actually translate this phrase as Ghaeilge, we'll normally change it a bit and it might not be translated directly. It'll also give you the gender of any noun. Masculine or feminine is one of the only ways really online to find out whether a certain noun might be masculine or feminine as Ghaeilge. And if you click on the gender, you'll also get a lot more information. Crucially, what that noun is in the plural and the genitive, which is also going to be very useful and very hard to find out anywhere else online for Ghaeilge. Lastly, what a lot of people don't know is the grammar section and the grammar kind of tool you have on changlan.ie, which is also very good, is actually built into Fhoghlaim. If you look at any verb, just click on the actual word verb beside it and it will show you that verb in the past tense, and then with your drop down menu you can switch that to present, future, moganilic, whatever tense you might like, and it'll give you the verbal noun and as well the verbal adjective, which are going to be key when you're trying to communicate. Agus ever though, sin acmhainn.com/grammador. Grammador.ie is incredible. Guys, I'll never forget the day I discovered it. I couldn't believe something like this existed. For Irish, what it is it's a Ghaeilge spell check function, just like you'd have for any other language. But what's impressive about this is it picks up on pretty much everything. So, missing shevus, missing urus, the tisha ginnajuk, mistakes maybe with the mokaniluk. If you've forgotten or maybe put on, let's say, a short verb ending instead of a long verb ending, it will pick all those things up. What you do, and the best way of using it in my opinion as a learning tool, is just putting in a paragraph or a page of something you've written out. It could be how your day is going, something you're interested in. It could be a very short review of your favourite book, your favourite podcast, whatever you enjoy writing about. Put that in, read through it once or twice, click submit, and then it'll show you all the mistakes, whether it be grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, or it could be small ones in terms of, well, most of the time we'll use this instead of that, which can also be very useful in terms of polishing up your Irish. Doesn't matter whether you're just starting off and you're trying to say something really simple like Tá Madra Agam, or whether you're trying to write a thesis as Ghaeilge, Grammador is extremely useful and extremely impressive. So, má tá tú ag fun na Ghaeilge is cuma céin level atá agad Jane Cínte gohfuil tú a úsáids fhoghlaim.ie agus acmhainn.com/Grammador.